What's good, YouTube family? It's your girl Megan with the Rich Family, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all 3 easy steps for you to be able to secure a bag while trading within a foreign exchange market. This is actually a breakdown of a strategy that myself and my community has been using for years. We still use it to this day. However, I want to kind of dumb it down, make it a little bit more simpler for beginners, because I know I've been making a lot of beginner videos recently on my channel, and I do know I did this full strategy on my channel as well. However, I want to take away a few things and just make it a little bit more simple for you all to be able to use, especially if you're a beginner trading within a foreign exchange market. But definitely, if you're new to this, make sure you're using a demo account. Make sure you're back testing. Make sure you're using proper risk management, and analyze the charts on Sunday before you hop right into a trade. So let's hop right into it. Okay, family, so we're gonna jump right into it. I don't want this video to be too long because, like I said, this is gonna be like a simple strategy, and I wouldn't even necessarily call it a strategy. Just three simple steps that you could trade in if you're a beginner to be able to make money with Forex. Now, I will suggest, if you've seen any of my other videos, if not, stop what you're doing and at least go watch my recent video on the top reasons that Forex traders fail. I would strongly suggest that before you take any trades or before you even test out this simple strategy I'm going to show you all, I want you to first make sure you're practicing on a demo. At least practice for a demo for, if you're new, give it at least a month. If you have some knowledge, at least give it a few weeks, get familiar with it, get consistent with it, and make sure you understand exactly what you're doing. And then for two, let's do a little bit of back testing. So what I mean by back testing is, if I'm looking at this chart right here, I'm going to go back and I'm going to try the rules that I'm going to give you all, and then just back test it, and then set yourself up for success. So when Sunday comes, and let's say you want to try out this simple 3-step strategy during the week, I want you to pick 3 good pairs that you've looked at, you've analyzed, and that you believe in. And if you try this strategy, that you could have a higher percent of winning your trades. So 1, make sure you've done your back testing. Make sure you do the analyzation and look at the charts and pick your favorite pairs before you hop in any trade. Use a demo account for at least a few weeks to a month, and use proper risk management. Make sure you're using correct lot sizes. Double check. Don't get confused on your lot sizes. I have plenty of videos on my channel regarding lot sizes and risk management. I'm actually going to be doing some more fresh videos coming up week. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed. Cut on your post notifications. If it's any particular educational video you want me to do or you want to see from me, just type it in the comment box. I have a lot of content coming for you all. Just simple things that I believe will help anyone who's a beginner trading Forex. So let's hop right into this simple strategy, and let me show you how to make some money. So I've actually done this on my channel a few times, probably like 3 or 5 times. I think I did even a recent video on it, like maybe a few days ago, but I didn't really go into full detail. However, this is going to be a full beginner detail. I'm going to show you all how to do a take profit and a stop loss using your ruler as well. However, like I said, take this video, take notes, rewind it as many times as you have to, but practice on your demo, do some back testing, analyze the charts before you hop into the trade. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I am on the daily time frame. It really doesn't. So I use the daily and the hourly chart just to look at the chart. However, if you don't want to sit at the computer all day, you want to place your trades, I suggest going to the 30-minute or hour, 30-minute or 15-minute chart for you to be able to place your trades. Because remember, every time, like for instance, right now I'm on the daily chart. So every candle that opens and closes, it opens and closes within 24 hours. So it took a day for this candle to form, and then the next day is going to be another candle. So if you don't have that time, go down to the hour time frame, because the candles are moving every hour. So every hour a new candle is produced. Even 30-minute time frame, every 30 minutes a new candle is produced at 15 minutes. When you're following along on the strategy. So for this one, I'm just going to use the hourly. It's really the same thing. It's just how quick you want to get in and out of a trade. So the very first step, change your candles from regular candles to Heikin Ashi candles. And I've already done that. So let me show you the difference. So take a little memory shot of how this chart looks right now. If I go to regular candles, this is how the chart looks. All over the place, especially for a beginner. So this is why I use Heikin Ashi candles. My better half actually introduced me to Heikin Ashi candles when I very first started trading. Because when I first started and I seen these candles, I'm like, whoa, it's a lot going on. Where do I even begin? But then when he changed it to Heikin Ashi candles, I was like, oh, yeah, if you're very, very new, it probably looks the same to you. But in my opinion, they're more cleaner and clearer for you to be able to understand what you're doing. So first step in this three-step process, change the candles to Heikin Ashi. Now, when you're placing a trade, before you even start, you're going to want to know if you're going to be looking for a sell or a buy. So here's a quick rule of thumb that you want to jot down in your notes. This is not part of the steps. This is just some good knowledge for you to obtain. I'm trying to zoom in as much as possible for y'all so y'all can see. Okay, so when y'all hear me say flat top, it's exactly what I mean, a flat top. That means it has nothing coming out of the top of it. If you see these other candles, they have wicks coming out of the candle. So when I say a flat top, it's just flat. This one is not a flat top because it has a wick coming out the top of it. So that's not a flat top. All flat tops are a sell. So the red candles are going to be a sell. Flat top means they're going down. Flat bottom is the complete opposite. So an opposite of a sell is a buy. Instead of a red color, it's going to be a green color, depending on your chart. Just look for your flat top or flat bottom. Flat bottoms are going to be buy. So flat bottoms, buy, going up. Flat tops, sell, going down. So that's important because when you're starting your process, you want to know if when you go to your MetaTrader 4 or when you're executing your trades on your computer, laptop, however you're trading, you're going to want to know if you're supposed to be clicking sell or buy before you place your trade. So next step is going to be to go to indicators, and I may have to log in. I'm not sure if it kept me logged in, but let's see. Indicators, you're going to type in MACD, which stands for MACD. You're not going to click the MACD strategy. That's just a strategy that TradingView has. You're going to click the one above it. Moving average, convergence, divergence. Bam. When you click that, you're going to see this chart right here pop up. Not chart. You're going to see this indicator right here pop up, and you could verify it because it says MACD. Now, I'm kind of blind. I'm actually going to cut up my brightness. I'm kind of, a little on the blind side. So these lines may be too skinny for you to actually see. And that's okay, because if it is, what you're going to do is you're going to hover over these numbers right here. And when you do that, this toolbar is going to pop up. When it pops up, you're going to click the one that looks like a gear shift. And when you hover over it, it says settings. When you click the settings, what you're going to do is you're going to go down to style at the top. And you're going to change your MACD right here. You're going to make this line thicker. Bam. As you can see, this line got thicker. Then you're going to close out of that. Then you're going to go to the signal. You're going to make this line thicker. Bam. As you can see, it got thicker. And that's going to be so much easier on your eyes. It's not going to be any confusion or what ifs or if I did that right, whatever the case may be. Okay, so when you're looking at a chart, I'm gonna give y'all an example of a back testing. When you're looking at a chart, you're waiting for the candles to form. Remember, you could change your candles to hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. You're waiting for your candles to produce. So let's say, for example, we opened up the chart when it's like right here. All right. So we got two red candles back to back. We know red means a sell, right? So if we're looking at a sell, we're going to be looking for what? A flat top, correct? So say we open it up right here. Cool. We're going to start our step process. We already changed our candles to Heikin Ashi. We added our MACD indicator. Now you're going to wait for a candle to open and close with a flat top. Now I say open and close. When I mean open and close, I mean the candle's already finished. You don't want to get a flat top and you're like, okay, boom, green light, time to go. No, wait for the candle to open and close. So if you're on an hour chart, wait for a full hour for the candle to close. If it closes and it still has a flat top, you got a yellow light, which means that you got your foot over the line. You about to go ahead and start getting ready to execute this trade. Right. But you want to wait. Sorry, y'all, my daughter's in the background. You want to wait for the preceding candle, so the candle right after it, to open up in a flat top. First candle, open and closes in a flat top. Second candle opens with a flat top. So this one opened and closing a flat top. Cool. Bam. I'm getting ready. I'm getting my trigger figure ready. Cool. All right. Second candle, it opened up into a flat top. Okay, green light. I'm almost in there. One more additional confirmation I want you all to look for. As soon as this flat top candle opens, I want you to go straight down. Go straight down. Go straight down to your MACD. If your MACD is going into the direction in what you're looking at a sell. Sell means it's going down. If your MACD is going down, that means you're in it for a sell. That means you're good to go. If the MACD is going the same direction as your other candles, you're good to go to place your trade for a sale. Now, disclaimer, this is a foreign exchange market. At the end of the day, we're hoping we can predict what's going to be the next move. It very well can go left. It could shoot back up into a buy. That's the game of trading Forex. However, if you follow your confirmations, if you use proper risk management, if you do a good take profit and stop loss, even if it does go the wrong way, your losses should be cut short. Your wins should be maximized and your losses be cut short. So MACD, go down, MACD is going in the right direction. It's even an additional confirmation, because say you're right, it's right here. So say the MACD was in this area, it didn't fully cross over. If your MACD crosses over and it's still going straight down, oh, you in there like swimwear. Because one thing that I could say is that the MACD ain't gonna lie. And when I say it ain't gonna lie, it's not gonna lie. Because for instance, if you look, and I'm back testing, this is an example of back testing. If I back test and I go, okay, cool, flat top, another flat top, bam, go down, MACD cross is going down, cool. I'm gonna enter into this trade. Anytime the MACD crosses, the trend is changing. Anytime the MACD crosses, the trend is changing. So if you've seen here, it was a sell, bam, sell. Then it started to change. Uh-oh, look up. It went into a buy. All right, that's cool. Go down. It can't decide what it wants to do. It can't decide what it wants to do. As you can see here, it is going back and forth up there too. Bam, crossed, went down, sell. Which I think is about to do right here. Cross, probably most likely cross, go up, and it's so. For instance, if we were looking at this trade, this is live. That the markets are live right now. We were looking at this trade right now. I'm on an hour time frame. I sit at home with my kids. I create YouTube videos. I trade Forex. I have a few other businesses. I'll just sit here and wait. I'll wait for another candle to form, and I'll be waiting for. If it's going up, we're gonna be looking for a flat bottom. So I'll just be waiting for my flat bottom to appear. I'll see if that MACD cross, wait for my flat bottom to appear. Cool. Let me get another flat bottom. Cool. MACD cross going up. Bam, I'm going to execute the trade. So I would say I probably ain't going to see this by the time it plays out. I'm recording this video. I'm a day late on my videos. I had some family things to handle, so I'm a day late. I'm recording this right now Thursday night, so it's going to go up Friday morning, so it's going to most likely be over by the time I upload it, but this just shows you all the examples. So for instance, say you right here, and then the other flat top opened up, you're ready to enter into your trade. What you want to do? Follow me. Go over here on the left-hand side. It's a ruler right here. Go to that measure. Click it right here at the top of the candle where you're going to place your trade. It's going into a sell. So if it's going into a sell, click it, drag it down. You want to drag it down till it says 20, which is right here. So if you stopped it right here, if you go all the way over where this dark color is, 1.05734. That's what you'll do your take profit at. Now, if you do a 20 pip take profit, now this depends on whatever your account balance is. Everyone is different. However, I will say if you have a smaller account, a good 20 pip take profit is good. Just keep getting in and out. I would suggest a 20 pip take profit, 10 pip stop loss. So if you do a 20 pip take profit, bam, you got your numbers for the take profit. Cool. Like, let's do the stop loss. So do it at the same part you started at, click it, go up until it says 10, bam, go over, dark color, that's going to be your stop loss. Now, again, you want to take time and you want to back test. This video is going to go up Friday morning, so take this weekend, pick you 3 good pairs, back test them. Euro USD may be a good pair for y'all to use. Back test them. You want to do so much back testing this weekend, to where once Sunday comes, you already know what 3 pairs you're going to stick to. Then you're able to analyze those pairs, back test them a little bit more. Then come Sunday night, Monday, you want to start looking at trades for you to be able to place. Make sure you use your demo account. If you're fairly new, give it a week, give it a few weeks, get familiar with it, and then you should be good after that. And this is a quick 3 simple step strategy for beginners. And that's the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video helps someone out there. Do not forget to follow the rules, do a demo account, do a lot of back testing, a lot of analyzing, and use proper risk management. Please, proper risk management. If there's any other videos that you want to see from us, whether you're a beginner or not, type in the comment box and I'll make sure I make the videos for you. Yeah, thank you all for tuning into this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for more videos from us, the Rich Family, because all we do is talk about a whole lot of money, whole lot of investing. We be talking about a whole lot. Follow me on Instagram, lovelymeg_, and follow the Rich Family on Instagram, the Rich Family with 2 Y's, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.